Hey, it's Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block iMessages on iPhone. So first way is to open up your messages and find, let's say this one for example. You need to click on its name and here you will be able to see block. Now as you can see, it has to be a real contact. So let's take a look at this one. Then you want to click on info, scroll down and you can see block this caller. And you would just click that and that's it. Same thing can be applied even to these marketing messages. Just click on block this caller and that's it. Now if you want to disable iMessages or messages in general, we need to scroll down until you find messages. And also what you can do is filter unknown senders. So this sorts messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So that just makes it easier to navigate. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.